Yo, what's good you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. In this video I'm going to show you guys how I use Cubase built-in features to EQ match the song to the reference track. Okay, let's get started.
Oh, I am worthy. Yes, I am worthy.
Okay, let's say this is my mix track, right? And this mix track is currently sent out to stereo out. Okay, and the other track is the reference track, and the reference track is not sent to stereo out, but it is sent to Q1. Okay, Q sense here, Q1, and you can go to the control room and you can check out the mix and Q1 here. Okay, if I click on the mix tab and hit play, it will play my mix session right now, which is sent to stereo out. C1 tab here playing the reference track. Okay, so that way I can check the reference track and my current mix simultaneously. So if you want to know how to do this, I suggest you check out Dom Ziegler's video. Alright, so what I do usually when I'm referencing a track is I'll go to the stereo out, right? In stereo out I have these two options where I can compare my track, and I use this feature to reference my tracks and to match EQ to sound like my reference track. Okay, so here I'm going to click on the reference track. I'm going to hit play now. Okay, the one in the blue is my mix and the one in orange is the reference tracks. So when I'm playing the track, if I see that the EQ frequency curve is not the way I want it, that matches the songs that I'm referring to, I will adjust the level and do some EQ in the mix session itself. If you guys find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notification, smash the like button, and share this video to all your friends. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.